Hello everyone, it's me here. Welcome back to another episode of the Greatest National Railway Journeys, episode 9. Yeah, a lot of episodes now. Today we are going to go to Canary Wharf. This train is going to Uxbridge. It's going to Uxbridge. I told you it's going to Uxbridge. Metropolitan line 5 minutes. Okay, we need to wait 5 minutes. Coming. Ooh, stand back. All gates. It's a Eurostar train. An East Midlands train. Oh, these have got slam doors. That one's got a slam door. It's a bit of an older unit, that means. This is probably the more recent unit. There's another East Midlands train. Thameslink trains. Thameslink trains to airports. Britain's fastest, Dame Kelly Holmes, double Olympic champion, southeasternrailway.co.uk. Southeastern high speed. Quickly open it. Okay, like all doors, open it. Yes, I'm in a southeastern high speed train. Wow. Bye-bye Southeastern high-speed train, bye-bye HS1 train, whatever you want to be called. Okay. There we have it. No trains at the station. Stratford International actual station. Oh look, there's a famous sign. High speed. Okay, there's Stratford International. DLR station. Loads. No, you have Westfield. We got Westfield. There's Stratford City. Major League Gaming. Major League Gaming. This building's called MLG. Well, this building's called MLG. MLG, Major League Gaming. There's a massive Premier Inn here. And there's a little play area with lots of little children. There's actually Manhattan Loft Gardens. You can hear a fast train.
Sorry, there's a delivery bay.
Britain's tallest sculpture. It's our old friend. Manhattan Loft Gardens. And some weird landscape beyond this really tall bridge. We are now doing the Wetlands Walk. Let's just speed this up. are now at Westfield. Westfield Stratford. There's Stratford International. You can hear a fast train. Here is Westfield Stratford.
I'm going to take photos.
This coach. It's a giant chess set. Wow. All the flags are what? Looks like they've had a lot of money doing this. They spent a lot of money doing this. Making all this TK Maxx as well. Oh, we're near the end now. It's Korea. Okay, we are now at the end. The Baton Ball. Jaguar and Land Rover. The North Face. This isn't Stratford International. This is just Stratford. You can see a TfL rail train. There's a Greater Anglia train, a Abellio Greater Anglia. And there's an overground train just leaving. And then you can just see a TfL rail train leaving. Greater Anglia train, just, I think it's rushing past, or I can't tell actually. No, it's just stopping. Now we're getting to the Central Line trains. Central Line trains as well. Ah, Stratford bus station. Bye bye train, Central Line train looks like, I don't know what it is. No, it really does look like a Central Line train. Oh, there is a freight train. There we have it. Stratford Station. And that's our train. It's actually our train going to Canary Wharf. Goodbye TfL Rail. It's first class, you don't have TfL Rail first class trains. Vast network of trains. I'm filming from the back. The front's too far up, so I can't go there. Greater Anglia. Awesome pretty.
The next stop is Canary Wharf. This train terminates. Please remember to take all your belongings with you.
This is One Canada Square, the massive triangular building in Canary Wharf. I think a picture will come up in 3, 2, 1. E14. Oaxaca's. It's not the River Lee this time. It's the Thames. Just after 4:05. We are now officially in Canada Place shopping mall. There's Waitrose, Canary Wharf. Eiffel Tower fire was started by a bridge freezer. Look at the underground mall. Look at that. Oh, kind of the place has it all. Kenwood. It's a bit like John Lewis. There are Roman pillars under this water. Let's take a closer look. Here we are. That is actually where the pavement used to be, so people used to walk along here. It's Roman architecture. And you can even see some here. Wow. This is the Big Easy we saw earlier. Look at this bridge construction. That was a nice walkway. Let's take a closer look. Okay, we've just gone inside. Bear in mind that is not a train line. That is not a train line. It's just some construction going on. One Canada Square. Wow. Nice crossrail tunnels. That is not MLG, that's the HSBC Tower. And there's one Canada Square.
The obvious place to position this is the empty narrow strip on site.
Alright, thank you so much for watching, everybody. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to make another one very soon.